Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Clinique long-lasting soft matte lipstick in a green tube by it's Matte Magenta by Clinique. I have an obsession with lipsticks. I love all sorts of colors, from nude to red to pink. This one I specifically really like because it's a really nice creamy matte magenta that gives you a really nice, beautiful color to add to your lips. It comes up really beautiful on camera. It looks great in photos. This is something I acquired because I wanted a magenta lipstick, and it's about that long. I really wanted a magenta lipstick, and Clinique always has good colors, and this one in particular, the matte magenta, was something I had to have and to add to my beauty arsenal. It's highly pigmented. It lasts for a long time. It works on any skin tone. It has long wearing, stay true color. The item weight is 0.64 ounces. I really love how it works, and I love how it looks. I would use I don't know if you have a color that matches this lip color for a lip liner, I would use it. I don't particularly have one that's that bright, so I would use a lip liner that is a nude. There's a really good one that's made by NYX Cosmetics, and that one is a nude lip liner that will keep from any feathering, although I've never had any problems with feathering with Clinique lipsticks because they are highly pigmented and also very moisturizing on the lips. So I've had a long-standing tradition with loving lipsticks ever since I was a little girl. I would always go into my mom's makeup stash and use her lipsticks, even to her detriment. When I was 2 years old, I took one and drew all over the television with it. My dad took me to the department store, a little shamed, but he wasn't mad at me at all. We bought my mom a brand new lipstick to replace her lipstick. This magenta is really flattering. If you really want your lips to pop, you can go lighter on your eyeshadows. You don't have to do a smoky eye. I find that if you do a smoky eye, you want to do a tamer lip, a more nude lip, because you want one focus on your face. You could do a glossier lip with a smoky eye. This, you don't necessarily need to do a whole lot of eyeshadow work, because this will really make your lips pop. Clinique makes really good lipsticks. Like I said, I've been using them for a very long time. Like I said, it has a matte finish. It's long lasting. The price is good. It's a beautiful color. Great hot pink. You can eat and it'll still be on, and you won't really have to reapply it a whole lot throughout the day since it's so highly pigmented and it stays on so well. So I give this a 5 out of 5. because I really enjoy it. I think that you will too. So try it out. It is the Clinique Long Lasting Soft Matte lipstick in the green tube by Matte. It's Matte Magenta by Clinique. Yeah, I highly recommend it. But like I always say, you don't have to take my word for it. Try it out yourself. And thanks so much for watching.